This is the best way to make potatoes with chicken. There's nothing left over. First, I'll peel 4 medium-sized potatoes and then cut them into slices, then into sticks to cut them into cubes. Once the potatoes have been cut, put them in an air fryer, add a little olive oil and salt. Mix and fry at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. While the potatoes are frying, melt the butter in the pan. Then add 2 pieces of diced chicken breast and add salt to taste. Black pepper to taste and stir. Let's let the chicken fry here. It will dry out the water and become very golden. When it's at this point, we'll add a chopped onion and let it fry for 3 minutes along with the chicken. At this point, we'll prepare our garlic butter. Here I've melted a tablespoon of butter. I'm adding 4 cloves of chopped garlic. I'm also going to add chopped parsley and 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Now just stir it up really well and then add our garlic butter here to the chicken. Let's stir it in and let it fry very well together with the chicken. Once that's done, we'll add 200 ml of cream. We'll mix it in, and when it comes to the boil, we'll add our potatoes, which have already been fried. This chicken with potatoes is wonderful. Whenever I make it here at home, there's nothing left. It's very delicious, simple, and quick to make. Now I'm going to sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top and add as much as you like. And we'll put it in the oven to brown. And look at this, people, what perfection. It's delicious. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, bye.